The idea of pocket money can be well illustrated with such kind of examples on MCQs, on half-life. So, dear students, buckle your seat because the first question coming is, the half-life of radium is 1600 years. Okay, so they have given the half-life, that is capital T is equal to 1600 years. Okay, the fraction of the sample of the radium that would remain after 6400 years is, so they have given small t. So after some time instant, that is 6400 years, what are they asking is n1 upon n0, that is a fraction. Okay, so the number of atoms left after n half-life is, the formula is the second one which we used it, n by n0 is equal to half raised to n, and we know small n is equal to small t upon capital T. So putting all these values, small t is 6400, capital T is something called as 1600. If you divide both of them, I'll get 4. So n1 upon n0 is equal to half raised to 4, that is 1 upon 2 raised to 4, that is equal to 1 upon 16. So the answer is what? Bombay. Simple and easy. Then the half-life of radioactive substance is 10 years. Okay, so after 10 years, some substance will reduce to half. So how long will it take to reduce to 1/4 of its original amount, and what will be the value of decay constant? So what are they saying is, if half-life is 10 years, so after 20 years, what will happen really is, it will be reduced to 1/4 of its original amount. So therefore, since T is equal to 0.693 by lambda, I will say lambda is equal to 0.693 by T, that is 0.693 by 10. Therefore, my lambda value is so and so. So the only answer I can get is option number C. So simple. Now, half-life and mean life period of a radioactive substances are what? Inversely proportional to each other, directly proportional to each other, equal to each other, not related to each other. Let's see. Half-life is different, mean life is different. So, mean life is given by 1 by lambda. See, this basic formula is not given in your textbook, but you have to remember this. Mean life is called average life. It is similar to half-life, but the function is that throughout the span, how much time the number of atoms got disintegrated. So in short, just remember the formula, 1 by lambda. Simple enough. Half-life T half is given by 0.693 by lambda. Okay, so that is 0.693 into 1 by lambda. So T half is equal to 0.693 into tau. And what is tau? Your mean life. So if I see, both of them are nothing but they're directly proportional. So the only answer is option number B. Well. The decay constant of a radioactive substance is lambda. The mean life and the half-life of the sample are respectively given by, well, they have given the formula. We have to put up the basic formula. You say, sir, where is 0.693? And what is 0.693? It is natural log of 2. And if I say natural log of 2, that is log of 2 to the base e. So first they are asking, what is mean life? Just now we did. Mean life is what? 1 upon lambda. And what about half-life? Natural log of 2 upon lambda. So the word obvious answer is oral. It's B. So thank you very much, because this module really meant something to me which was very much easy.